नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं स्वागत करता हूँ आपका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पॉलिटी के 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जिनके आगे एग्जामों में आने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं। सो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Our first question is 73rd Amendment of the Constitution of India is related to which among the following? Option A townships, option B panchayats, option C municipalities, option D district boards, and the answer is B panchayats. So the next question, what is the minimum age for a candidate to be elected as President of India? A 20 years, B 25 years, C 30 years, D 35 years. Answer is D 35 years. How many members can be nominated to Lok Sabha by President? A 0, B 2, C 3, D 4. Answer is A 0. Which among the following amendments of Constitution of India had accorded precedence to directive principles over fundamental rights? A 25th, B 52, C 59th, D 44th. Answer is B 42. Which among the following state union territory got birth with the Punjab Recognition Act of 1966? A. Haryana, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Chandigarh, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Haryana. Next question. The East India Company was deprived of monopoly of trade with India except tea trade by which among the following acts? A. The Charter Act of 1813, B. The Charter Act of 1833, C. The Charter Act of 1853, D. Government of India Act 1858. And the answer is A. The Charter Act of 1813. Next question. Which among the following are considered essential for the realization of the highest good of India's citizens? A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. DPSP, D. Preamble. And the answer is A. Fundamental rights. Next question. Which of the following are the conditions for acquiring Indian citizenship? A. Domicile and descent, B. Domicile, descent and registration, C. Domicile, descent, registration and holding property, D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Domicile, descent and registration. Next question. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Woman Chief Minister. Read it carefully. A. Sucheta Tripalani, Uttar Pradesh. B. Nandini Satpathy, Odisha. C. Shashikala Kakodar, Goa. D. All of the correct. D. All are the correct. Next question. Which among the following committees of Lok Sabha is assisted by Controller and Auditor General of India? A. Estimates Committee, B. Public Accounts Committee, C. Joint Committee of Salary and Allowances, D. Joint Committee of Offices of Profit. And the answer is B. Public Accounts Committee. Next question. Which amendment of the Constitution added administrative tribunals? A. 42 Amendment Act, B. 44th Amendment Act, C. 46th Amendment Act, D. 49th Amendment Act. And the answer is A. 42 Amendment Act. Next question. Which of the following articles says that executive power of the state is vested in the governor? A. Article 152, B. Article 153, C. Article 154, D. Article 155, and the answer is C. Article 154. Next question. Which amendment abolished the system of election tribunals? A. 12th, B. 14th, C. 17th, D. 19th, and the answer is D. 19th. Next question. Which of the following was also called as Constitution of Commonwealth of India by some scholars? A. Government of India Act 1935, B. Nehru Report, C. Objective Revolution, and D. Resolution by Swaraj Party in 1924, and the answer is B. Nehru Report. Next question. The 8th schedule of Constitution of India originally had how many languages? A. 12, B. 14, C. 16, D. 22, and the answer is D. 22. Next question. Which of the following Constitution Amendment Act grants citizens as a fundamental right to form cooperative societies? A. 95th, B. 96th, C. 97th, D. 98th, and the answer is C. 97th. Next question. The provision of establishment of Supreme Court of Calcutta was made in which act? A. Regulating Act of 1773, B. Indian Council Act 1861, C. Charter Act of 1813, D. Pitt's India Act 1784. And the answer is A. Regulating Act of 1773. Next question. The principle of diarisy was introduced in India by British government through which act? A. Indian Councils Act 1861, B. Indian Councils Act 1892, C. Indian Council Act 1909, D. Government of India Act 1919. And the answer is D. Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Who was elected as the government chairman of Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Dr. Sachidanda Sinha. And the answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Who headed the Committee on Chief Commissioners Provinces in the Constituent Assembly? A. B. Patabhi Sitaramaya, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. K. M. Munshi, D. Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. And the answer is A. B. Pattabhi Sita Ramaya. Next question. In which judgment Supreme Court held that preamble is not part of the Constitution? A. Birubari Union Case, B. Kesavananda Bhartiya Case, C. LIC of India Case, D. Golaknath Case, and the answer is A. Birubari Union Case. Next question. Which of the following was not the member of Fazl Ali Commission formed in December 1953? A. Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Fazl Ali, C. K. M. Panikar, D. H. N. Kunzru. And the answer is A. Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. Which of the following countries does not have a policy of dual citizenship? A. Canada, B. Australia, C. Pakistan, D. Nepal, and the answer is D. Nepal. Next question. How many fundamental rights did the Indian Constitution contain initially? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8, and the answer is C. 7. Move to the next question. Which of the following writs is issued to prevent a lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction? A. Mandamus, B. Habeas corpus, C. Prohibition, D. certiorari, and the answer is C, prohibition. Next question. Who described the directive principles and fundamental rights as the conscience of the Constitution? A. Granville Austin, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. K.M. Munsey, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. And the answer is A. Granville Austin. Next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? A. To protect monuments and places of public importance. B. To respect national anthem. C. To protect and improve the natural environment. D. To safeguard public property. And the answer is A. To protect monuments and places of public importance. Next question. Which of the following Prime Ministers of India died outside India? A. Charan Singh, B. Morarji Desai, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. And the answer is D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next question. Who elects the Speaker of Lok Sabha? A. Public, B. Members of Rajya Sabha, C. Members of Lok Sabha, D. Members of Parliament. And the answer is C. Members of Lok Sabha. Next question. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? A. 250, B. 238, C. 263, D. 249. And the answer is A. 250. आज हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस लाएंगे। जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हमारा चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन दबा देना ताकि आपको आगे आने वाली सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू।